Hello friends, today I am going to reveal some true facts of latest research in medical science, convincing evidence that type 2 diabetes is a cause of erectile dysfunction. But first of all, I request you to please share and subscribe my channel for getting informative true facts videos uninterrupted. Please note that subscription of my channel is free of cost. Now, latest in science research, convincing evidence that type 2 diabetes is a cause of erectile dysfunction in male. Evidence that type 2 diabetes is a cause of erectile dysfunction in male has been found in larger scale genomic analysis. The study led to the University of Exeter and the University of Oxford looked at data on more than 220,000 men across 3 cohorts, 6,000 of whom experienced erectile dysfunction. The research echoed recent finding that erectile dysfunction has a genetic cause and goes further by opening the possibility that living a healthier lifestyle may help reduce risk. Published in the American Journal of Human Genetics, the study was conducted in data from the UK Biobank, the Estonian Genome Center of the University of Tartu cohort and hospital recruited partners healthcare biobank. Using cutting-edge genetic analysis, the team was able to dive deeper than ever before into the complex correlations between the diabetes and aspects including body weight. They found that having genetic predispositions to type 2 diabetes was linked with erectile dysfunction, providing evidence that diabetes can be a cause of erectile issue. Very few clinical trials of diabetes have reported erectile dysfunctions in male as an outcome of improved glucose control. The limits, the conclusions that can be drawn about whether treatment of diabetes is likely to have an impact on erectile dysfunction risk. Dr. Anna Murray of the University of Exeter Medical School is a co-lead author on the study. She said, erectile dysfunctions affect at least 1 in 5 men over 60. Yet up until now, the little has been known about its cause. Our paper echoes recent findings that the cause can be genetic, and it goes further. We found that a genetic predisposition to type 2 diabetes is linked to erectile dysfunction. That may mean that if people can reduce the risk of diabetes through a healthier lifestyle, they may also avoid developing erectile dysfunction. Professor Michelle Holmes of the Nuffield Department of Population Health at the University of Oxford, one of the study's lead authors, said, "Our finding is important as diabetes is preventable and indeed one can now achieve remission from diabetes with weight loss." As illustrated in recent clinical trial, this goes beyond finding a genetic link to erectile dysfunction, to general public, especially considering the growing prevalence of diabetes. Dr. Jonas Bowis is the co-first author of the study and is from the Big Data Institute at the University of Oxford. He said, "We know that there is observations evidence linking erectile dysfunctions and type 2 diabetes. But until now, there has been definitive evidence to show that predispositions to type 2 diabetes causes erectile dysfunction." The paper also echoed a previous study that identified a specific region of the genome that is linked to erectile dysfunction, potentially paving the way for new treatment. In my next video, I will reveal some true facts of other latest in science research. Thanks.